This AI is actually really useful. It's called OmniVCus and it's a super flexible tool for editing and customizing videos using just text prompts. With OmniVCus, you can literally change the main subject in any video, add new scenes, or swap out actions all in a natural and intuitive way. Let me walk you through some of the kinds of things you can do with it. Let's start with something simple. Imagine you upload a photo of a woman as your input image. In your prompt, you simply write, "The woman in this image is talking to a man on the street." With OmniVCus, a short video is generated. The woman, who still looks exactly like the one in your original photo, is now talking to a man in a street scene. The editing preserves realistic detail, matching pose, clothing, and lighting so the result looks natural. Here's another creative use. Suppose you have an image where you want to add some visual effects. Maybe your prompt is, "A girl putting on a pair of glasses that turn into the effect of this image." OmniVCus generates a video showing the girl putting on the glasses and then transitioning into that specific visual effect. The transformation happens smoothly. It's super impressive to see the effect appear right after the action, just as you prompted. Or consider this, upload an image of a boy. Even if your prompt has a slight typo like "pray in a temple," OmniVCus understands you meant temple and creates a video of that boy in a scene praying in a temple. The AI intuitively fills in the gaps in your prompt, demonstrating real-world semantic understanding. You can also get creative with daily tasks or actions. Upload a picture of a woman, prompt "get her to mop the floor in a living room," and that's exactly what OmniVCus produces. You don't merely get a static pose but a plausible video showing the action from start to finish. Micro-editing is another area where this tool shines. Suppose you have a photo of a man in a blazer. You can ask OmniVCus to remove the blazer and get him to stand in a summer park. The AI outputs a video where the man is now in a lighter outfit, standing under the sun in a green summery setting. Shadows and color grading harmonize perfectly. Maybe you've got a photo of a boy and you want to both change his clothing and his activity. You prompt, "Swap the boy's t-shirt for a blue shirt, then get him to pray in a temple." Sure enough, the generated video follows your instructions, showing the same boy now in a blue shirt and positioned respectfully in a place of worship. There's room for a little fun too. Imagine you upload a photo of a child who's clearly not happy about doing her homework. Your prompt, "Make the child happy doing her homework." OmniVCus creates a video where she puts on the most forced smile you've seen in a while, because honestly, who is ever happy about homework? But it goes even further when you want to combine people or merge multiple scenarios. Say you have a running man in one image and a church in another. You prompt, "Add the man running in front of the church," and the AI composites both, showing the character running by the building, even actively matching pose, direction, and perspective. Another really practical feature is swapping scene objects and gestures. If you have a man in one image and a laptop in another, you can prompt, "Have the man from the first image use the laptop from the second in a library." The result is a short, cohesive video where the original man is engaging with the exact same laptop, all within the context of a realistic library. The system keeps the man's appearance from image 1, the laptop from image 2, and sets it in the prompted environment. OmniVCus also shines in camera control. By specifying 3D camera trajectories, you can create videos with guided camera movements like an orbit shot or a zoom. For example, you can upload a photo of a girl doing homework at a desk and provide a trajectory pattern. The result is a dynamically generated shot orbiting smoothly around the girl, adding motion depth much like in 3D animation or film. For even more precision, you can use advanced input types like reference depth videos or mask videos. Upload a depth video along with your prompt and OmniVCus shapes the generated video to follow the depth cues and structure perfectly, adding realism to preserved movements. If you input a mask video and prompt, say for a boy to play ping pong, the generated clip puts the action table tennis inside the bounded mask region, closely mapping to your visual intent. How about other common actions? With an input photo of a woman, you might write, "The woman in image 1 is doing yoga in a living room." The tool outputs a video where she is doing stretches or poses, matched convincingly to the kind of living room you'd expect. At the time of this recording, OmniVCus has published a comprehensive GitHub repository. While the models and direct code aren't yet released to the public, the page says the code is coming soon, so keep a lookout for updates or for quantized versions that will support more modest graphics cards and computers. If you want to dig into more details or see the latest examples, all official pages and resources are linked in the description below. This tool points toward a future where anyone can generate complex, tailored video scenes with natural language paired images and real depth or mask input without ever needing advanced video editing skills or spending hours with complex software. Like, share, and subscribe for more hands-on reviews and AI-powered creativity, and stay tuned for news as soon as this tool becomes open to everyone. Thanks for watching.